Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 10 Lines Essay. In this video, I'll write 10 names of birds and their food. Name of the first bird is crow. Its food is insects, fruits. Second, kingfisher, fish. Third, owl, insects, small birds. Fourth, parrot, fruits, nuts, seeds. Name of the fifth bird is eagle. Its food is small animals, fish. Sixth, hen, grains, seeds, worms. Seventh, myna, fruits, insects, worms. Name of the eighth bird is robin. Its food, berries, insects, worms. Ninth, duck, water plants, fish. Last one, 10th bird is peacock. Its food is grains, small plants, insects. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.